enti emre bi aba na se ne a toda wo mu jojo wuni ade no waka se da bi ade se nya adwuma yi a enye radio adwuma yi a e ko mu ndi matem wu mani ma se ne ade sa etimi njai emre bi aba na waka se adwuma yi di bi wow
mempa abada because mebusuafo me nuanu mo mema no they are so solid. Wow. I have a family ti me nya nam for sem me ni adamfo me ko ni fie and asa adamfo bi oba me fie no e bia me business na e bia e be share wo me business center ne ade e be ti me share wo programs as e be vibe nice o ya me colleague me no be vibe to say me no na damp across industry no mo parties are who say we together we vibe nicely but it ends there at the locations at the event venues. You know, we are my schoolmates I bet to me to say busuan pa but because I have a family and omota mechi omo share me den issue ba they advise me and I listen to advice. Say e sha ase no say me nipa e bia nka meto bomb pa so nim say me bomb
o bomb dey wan sha
obi anu wanu nya yansen Ohemaa Woyeje. But because me want to tell me one year kasa chere me and when they talk to me I listen.
Okay.
Until I don't come out tell me who feel me intimi no me yes because when I don't listen to them ochina I will have nobody standing behind me.
Okay.
Intimi no when they talk to me I listen. That be why nipa bebre bia omo di matemetwem I didn't mind them because means through and as them now can meet me account the chance e dey actual but me want to tie and am tie kasa chere yeah.
Says it's only say one more a yana woman do what no enkofo na show machi ebo mo pa say woman nyesa anasa say
okay I say say Friday na bad that and where your mama you should be ready for these things you say penny do matemant
okay
enti the tn say eduma awoye no e to da bisa ho say adi na obi be attack me Ohemaa Woyeje why dey on your shey you know but the point is me tena say assess na me who say okay what are they looking for from me they only want to attack my confidence
okay
because me ne oka
onimu
who need basis kwanta udidi matem but me obi a me bomodin wo adwuma na me ye no ho enti otena se na o ya assess me wa try san on to me breaking me down to me stop it enti o feel say omo ke ka sa niama no di bring you moral down our weak you
yeah
enti the moment ube lose confidence no next time kra no nante kra no ma na nkomu popo wow ube tena radio no so a ka sa be dey I suppress enti afi wanya because of performance be ba form enti basically no it is because you're good. That is why they are attacking you. So what born now soon in fast one any relevance if you are awesome. Of course I can watch them crowd be my own why popular or trend but we are already the ish.
Yeah.
Enti we do home come ebe ko ono kra be popular. And I say wo no who say obetimi abra pass to their level obesan kra be hwehwe ne page. Yes, you will be the matana make. I've heard a lot of people say somebody they say I've never checked on their page. No, I don't want to. Me person me hu nipa kompo. But the ebia nipa no ne profile and the adeka ho no. I get people who can take the law. I mean action against them. If your details who could draw when you do this, your profile no which you can be two profile no so. And my lawyers will address you. They'll reach you, and then next time. You know how to.
Say the answer also stuck to us, and I'm assuming you.
Yeah,
my mommy lawyer.
That's right. That's how you should do.
Wow.
But men fall with energy and more because omobo tired say you be brewase.
Be brewase.
Intimidate. Tina say that go say obi di matem ntima ba mabu really no ye hwan.
O je hwan.
Na say nipa no na che ne say ono no to be rate. Ono ya rate no. Why na rate no? En fa na onya ne nche ne nti ase a odi making allegations and perceptions and you know whatever that will put it out no it's not here as I say nipa no kwaba na yes man your man the philosophy of life where all those things that they are claiming you know it started from into ono ye kire na ade wi obe settle that people say hey say me kwa me yeah
says nyame shop yinina esese yesua wanamo to you are doing very well. Just say, be a won't who be no. As I see, Shia. Na what we decano, is Shia one auntie. Not action, it's me a boy. Says Yanko Ponshaw. Says no, baby, a we a dreaming. Oh, angel. Like I say, I ABN.
Anne.
A true baby, no.
Yes. Feel free, we know about crowd. What's up? What happened?
Ura building ni mo no. Yes, here my own room.
Aye.
Ebe ye. The job, baby, abefe bia, Ohemaa Woyeje, ye yina di. Yes, we do adwuma me. Yes, here my new room. Eme no so chese. Hun se me ba ye no. Em se Korea police station cra. Says. Wadama. Eno. Then who asem? Ete say any day.
Okay, inti well, binim baby and Doctor Otima or Moshe Etienne Adeno. Obi anje Antone Hoso say, and I say Obi anje blame no say or nona or she share say Jumano. But the point is just as you heard, no me by Juma me by na gang sitting anymore say order from above say my ming rab building. You know I'm say my head and said Obi an can share me say my ming raho. I'm say by one be a mask na they no go make me and I'm say hey obua Allah me juma me nko me nko he me wura free ho anti me say akwa no free ho me chine say wo
free ho
no so person chem say abon
me ma be akesifo be 6 was ahin
pupo enim ho na me ne ho mo. Yeah, because of course me your family juma I have a contract as a worker and from my former station, you know. Omo ma me contract as a worker. Edu baby a me be adwuma mo so mo fa adwuma na ma menye. Me bisa ye twen da ready are ho na menyem ne ade a. Mo se mo ma menye adwuma me stress from December, November, December throughout the whole December mo me anya adwuma throughout January nya mo me anya adwuma me resign ye no. Omo de me call omo de me like omo de me atweman so from 2019 I'm a free multimedia be payment ne. Me da so court. Enti say Dr. Gokutia from adwuma no ma me contract am ye adwuma no. Wo be gina wo ye langa there so hwan say wo ma me ye adwuma no. Because I'm already facing a legal action because I resigned. They said they have a contract with me. Wow. Enti ono plan so ma wo nya adwuma na wo koye ko de wa court.
It's the other station no. And make us other media house.
Yes.
Omo do call court.
Omo de me call court.
So now asking how?
Yeah, that's the question.
Me no ye adwuma. Edru ba bi me se me to me no ye adwuma.
There be also ma me nya adwuma no. Enye say
na che say woni omo ye adwuma asomdwum edru ba bi no.
Me come to kwan kwa broche me call leave. Me call leave by yeah. But the very first last time I me call me leave by me come kuno ho. Me free Holland aba ma be do my report so say ma ba ne ade me take me time so me post studio say ma me go studio. And then there's Multimedia be payment no man che me dey me ye dey esi uma me nye show no afi wo se me nkọ abonten ko report me nkọ interview hwan for abonten me nkọ he drug dealers ni ade me no me nkọ gather report na am say but producers ni ade that's their work. And it was the first time and I made TBB say like me fi leave about so ma me nye I'm so really me nyemo because so nyem kran say o kan ntem
there be there
e first news saying no enti no means me frustration too much. That Ben Ameko they said they don't know.
Wow.
Back and forth report to every department penny or work on near their OBM and fee. Miss me card the access office cry no ya mammy activity me the I trust me that so ye do me no. Insurance, health insurance I work a beer they me ya renew me the automatically no wapamon baon can't. Yet we argued this at the court and we lost the case. Until I'm appealing. Until when I go to the appeal, Yankopon ya adum na no credit they are fine. And there dia, me chat to me say area say. But then you na na share me den me book kra matro no matro. Because I have lived the life, I have experienced so many things in life, the injustice, the unfairness. And so I think that as I said, me throw a book to inspire people. People must know and understand things, awareness, things you have to know. The book is not judging anybody. It's not speaking against OBR. Yeah. But it's showing your message because the contract I sign no. We are sign keke. But so legal knowledge because of clauses say money identity. You will not just sign a contract when you don't understand. Before you sign a contract, say when you legal understanding. That's why I'm reading law in school now. Not because me person me a lawyer. No. But I want to understand legalities so that I won't make those commitments because I've lost the property. Not only multimedia, the thing, but I also lost the property. And even when I went to consult a lawyer and I paid every money I have to pay, still, you lose your property. And sometimes, if you are not fortunate, maybe your lawyer will not even help you to take the right decision. And see, I have to know the law by myself.
Sis, I say, Yahudi bipa.
Okay, so it is an experience, like I've said, you know. Yeah, because you know I have lived a life. I have experienced life very so. Well, until I'm a book, no. Maybe I may not have enough space to say things. Until I need to reflect based on me experience and then see what other people go through.
Wow.
I put them together and I wrote the book Life Beyond Opinions. Wow. And this is my second book, Yeah, sis, we go through a lot.
Inti, say, Angel, Wadauma, contract, how many years contract I'm going to sign?
Let me say renewal. You may renew my first contract, we am renew. I'm said the last one renew
Hey.
Yes.
I said, what boy you?
Oh, some that's what chance met Dr. Kwakutenka for now, me yante.
Oh, Papa Betinenka. Dr. Mpacha, we yante when we went to couple for Mr. Senya. Eh, Nana Himeka say. Who and that's what you would do.
And yeah.
Ana weja opesoja ana we
well, Nyankopon be na bekyere. Say me say contract ni wu intimate as a employee.
Says na se na sika enti ewu a
enche be ewu a say contract the contract wu it's either it is renewed or you decide to stay.
Ye be renew. Says
okay.
Ohemaa Woyeje.
Spokesperson. I know.
Yamisha says Pacho Mesaba Papa Pacho wada ma bremu kakra e ma na yintwa ye homra.
That's it.
You.
Children so wajibre na ohwe editisabri. Mfa konya yesusu nchia ye Glory Lamp Ministry International asafomba. So for mame prophet noble Mrs. Sarah Sakodie. Ye twanija enyiyi. Eze say ye bomode adi nchia kese ema ono ensoso. Minua bai. The story I only share no very inspiring na touching so. One thing I have loved from what she said, the nourishing of how she did not despise her little beginning. You be you seem tonono. You should be instead of say remaining focus. You be so ye ni akonkaino. Yes, you already made a permanent kakra. Na ma pebe bi diato. Na ochina bi me pese me yewi, pese me yese. But the system our firm alongside ogusu kranke to anim or the progress or the rekese no. Me say addition ade kese say arefo ahwe no efa nimde edi frame. I'm so impressed. Say irrespective the level I would drew, you know, she still comes down to say me no way back to 2020.
That was in 2009.
2009.
She is still with that business. And you ask yourself, say,
2009.
2009.
17 years
exactly.
ago.
17
years now. Now.
Hey!
Enipa in a shebi kumase na wotimi kuram e de konkan, but it has been a source I kutano and I want to also when insurance ade no omo pebum omo pemehete omo pema chese menya bibia preko but no so bible bokoko ehu enti e hono de ma my sister credit say we share that secret with the generation. Secondly so attention on from social media. I love that. Okay. And even at church I was preaching and telling the congregation, say, listen to me, don't pay attention to it. See, as social media, we're in a very disruption. So when you be away focus, now we are attentive towards achieving some specific